Everyone, I'm Jatin Verma. So guys, today I'm here to make a very good announcement, very big announcement for you guys. Unacademy UPSC All India Championship. So this is going to be a test series for you guys, free of cost, launched by Unacademy UPSC team. The entire team is dedicated for this. हम 5 टेस्ट कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं इसमें. The test will be held on 29th of March, 12th of March, 26th of April, then 10th of May, and then the final one on 24th of May 2020. So this will help you acquaint yourself with the real UPSC standard, UPSC standard test series, wherein you will be able to exercise these tests in the simulation method, that you kind of mistakes that the aspirants commit. जो mistakes हम commit करते हैं examination situation में, OMR sheet में, and we should be acquainted with the quality of the questions, options क्या रहेंगी. So this is why all India mock test is important, and this is the major reason why you should join it. There are of course going to be surprise rewards for this. इसमें prize भी रहेगा, इसीलिए इसे championship कहा गया है. Prizes have not been disclosed because your prime motivation to join this should be to go for the real jackpot, that is clearing the UPSC civil services exam. It should not be any other reward or ancillary thing as a spin-off, whatever comes your way. तो हम एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में कई बार स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा करते हैं कि OMR शीट में मार्क नहीं करते, क्वेश्चन पेपर में मार्क करते हैं. ये सारी मिस्टेक्स वी टेंड टू कमिट. इन्हीं चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए we have come up with All India Mock Test Series, and this is the reason that it is important for you. और पूरी Unacademy team इसके लिए dedicated है. As you can see, academic directors who curated and reviewed the tests are Mrunal Patel, Rakesh Verma sir, who happens to be retired IAS officer, then Aatish Mathur. Then test discussions will be held by the top educators, including myself, Jatin Verma. You can read the name, Aatish Mathur, Sunil Singh, and again Rakesh Verma sir. Likewise, there are all the educators of Unacademy, all the top educators of Unacademy UPSC category are associated in this. Indian economy का जहाँ तक question है, Jatin Verma, that is I myself will be reviewing the questions, making the questions. Indian polity and governance में भी मैंने काफ़ी questions इसमें submit किए हैं. तो you will be able to acquaint yourself with these questions before you actually appear in the prelims on 31st of May 2020. Then All India rank इसमें declare करी जाएगी. Why you should join this? Why should you? Because there are so many test series in the market available out there. But इस test series में different क्या है? एक तो All India rank होगी. As you all know that Unacademy, UPSC Unacademy overall is established throughout this industry. So इस way में online में जहाँ तक हम देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा students इसमें enroll करने जा रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए you will be able to get an all India rank out of lakhs of aspirants who will be appearing in this. Experience the actual UPSC CSC level. 2011 में जो CSAT पैटर्न लाया गया, उसके बाद जो पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है, जो स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं इसमें, यानी कि पहले क्वेश्चंस आते थे जो कि वन वर्ड या फिर आपको फैक्ट्स आइडेंटिफाई करने होते थे. बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस एज फाउंड इन द UPSC सिविल सर्विसेज प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम सिंस 2011 विल बी reflected in these 5 tests. तो ये आपको इसका बेनिफिट रहेगा. That is the sole reason why All India Mock Test is important. क्योंकि एक तो आप सभी peers के साथ में, अपने competitors के साथ में अपने आप की खुद की performance को assess कर पाएंगे, right? So this is why you should join it. And the other reason is that this is being conducted by, the discussions will be held by me and my fellow educators. The names you can read here. Many of you must already be benefiting from the knowledge being shared by these educators on Unacademy YouTube channel, Unacademy free lessons, Unacademy special classes. So subject experts इसमें questions बनाने जा रहे हैं, तो ये आपको फायदा मिलेगा. And you would be able to analyze your weak points. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि पढ़ते रहते हैं. We have been reading throughout somebody has been preparing for last 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. This is the time to evaluate yourself before the UPSC evaluates you. Guidance by the top educators. In the process of analysis, these tests will be analyzed by the top educators. Schedule, this is the schedule. All India free full length mock test 1. Then this will be analyzed in both the languages. There will be at least 3 discussions. बहुत सारे students की ये query रहती है कि discussion English में होगी या हिंदी में होगी. So resolving this query in advance, what we have done is we have come up with 3 discussions on every test. The discussion for Hindi test will be held in Hindi, and discussion for English test will be held in English as well as Hindi. So there will be 3 test discussions. So rest assured that we are leaving no stone unturned insofar as making this UPSC journey easier for you is concerned. Then on April 12th, All India Free Full Length Mock Test 2 will be there by Rakesh sir. Then there will be discussion followed by followed after the test at 7 p.m. in Hindi, and then at 9 p.m. in English. Likewise, English as well as Hindi. So those of you who would be attempting the test in English but want the discussion to be in English as well as Hindi, here's the solution for you. Likewise, April 25, All India Free Full Length Mock Test 3, again analysis will be there, 10 a.m., then 7 p.m. and then 9 p.m. Right, so this is how the tests have been planned. 3 discussions for every test. This will be a test at 10 a.m. Discussion will be held at 7 p.m. and at 9 p.m. in the night in English as well as Hindi. Likewise, week 4, May 4 to May 10 में May 10 को ये test होगा. Test 4, 10 a.m. discussion will be in both the languages, English as well as Hindi. So this is how we have planned it. This will be immensely helpful to you to avoid the last minute pressure. As they say that action breeds confidence and inaction breeds self-doubt. So in order to keep the doubts, self-doubts at bay, in order to keep this last month pressure at a distance, you should enroll yourself in the test series. So current events of national syllabus is same as that of UPSC, and the standard of questions, I am emphasizing again, the standard of questions will be same as that observed in the UPSC actual question papers in last 7 to 8 years. Current events of national and international importance, for which you have been following the daily news analysis and other courses by me and other educators. तो current affairs roundup 365 जैसे courses आपको help करेंगे. India and world geography, physical, ये सब भी रहेगा इसमें. Indian polity and governance. The questions will be made by me and my fellow educators. Constitution, political system, Panchayati Raj, public policy. Increasingly, we have seen that questions are being asked from this arena as well. Rights issues, etc. Economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives, etc. General issues on environmental ecology. आजकल हम देखते हैं because of the reason that IFO's prelims exam is being conducted along with UPSC Civil Services prelims exam. So a lot of questions are being asked from environmental ecology. Our subject experts from environmental and ecology portion will be making the good quality of questions for you guys as from the current affairs as seen in the newspaper of last 1 or 1.5 years. So this is there. So why not to miss? I am emphasizing again कि आपको ये क्यों ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. ये तो ये टेस्ट सीरीज आप अनअकैडमी की एजुकेटर ऐप डाउनलोड करके भी while on the go भी you can attempt the test. And why this is important? बहुत सारी silly mistakes हम करते हैं और you should not be taking this test series as the 31st May prelims. You should try to learn from your mistakes that you would be committing in these 5 tests that you would be going through. So this was the information for you guys. I wish to see each one of you enrolling in this test series. So this is going to be helpful for you. In the discussion classes, I will be there personally. I'll be taking a few sessions which will help you in getting your doubts resolved. How to attempt a question, how to eliminate the options. We will not be trying the tricks or anything. We will try to deduce the logic. On the basis of the logic, we will be attempting the questions. जो silly mistakes हम commit करते हैं, उन सब चीज़ों पे भी आपको जो है नॉलेज मिलेगी कि क्या चीज़ें हमें अवॉइड करनी है प्रीलिम्स एग्जाम में. OMR शीट में कैसे फिलअप करना है. तो दिस विल बी अ सिमुलेशन एक्सरसाइज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. This was the information for you all, and I hope that this will be of help to you. And before leaving, I would like to warn you guys that try to stay at home, try to stay safe, try to maintain the hygiene, and at the same time keep enjoying the benefit of your online education through Unacademy learning app. Thank you. All the best, everyone.